Hi, I'm Kiersten Wise. I'm an extension plant pathologist at the University of Kentucky, and I'm here in a Kentucky cornfield today to show you some of the seedling blight issues that we're seeing across western Kentucky this year. We had great conditions in early April for corn planting, and a lot of corn went in the ground at that point in time. Now after that, through the rest of April, we had lower or cooler than average conditions, and that corn was very slow to emerge. When corn is slow to emerge, it leaves it in the ground in that cool, wet soil and makes it more susceptible to the organisms that cause seedling blight diseases. And that's what we're starting to see show up in some of these fields across the state. Now, one of the key indications that there might be a seedling disease issue in a field, one of the first things you can look for is gaps in stand. And so if you can see here in this field, we see big gaps between the corn plants, and where we are seeing corn plants emerge, we're seeing differences in height. So some of the stunting that occurs with some of our seedling blight diseases, and also some of the late emergence or very small or lower vigor type of plants. Those are all indications that there's a seedling blight problem. Now there's a lot of different things that can cause, gaps in stand and low vigor plants. And so if you do see this in your field, it's important to let your county agent know and have them get some samples that we can send off to the plant disease diagnostic lab. There are several different organisms that cause seedling blights in corn. We talk a lot about Pythium seedling blight as being a key disease in Kentucky, but we also have Fusarium and Rhizoctonia seedling blights. And it's important to get a diagnosis to know what you have in the field. Some of the active ingredients on the seed treatments that protect the seed from these seedling blight organisms, they have different activity depending on which organism it is. And so that's why a good diagnosis can help with future decisions about those seed treatments. Now in some cases this year, knowing that stand loss can help with decisions about replant. In most cases, replant may not be necessary or very limited areas, but what that diagnosis of a seedling blight will do will help you make decisions about rates of seed treatment products, and also maybe adding different active ingredients to the seed treatment package in fields where you have a history of seedling blight disease.